Okay, I think we can start for now, then I will record the session, so for who is not able to join, he can see it. We'll put it on YouTube maybe, let's see. So today we're gonna do let's go to the charts immediately. We're gonna see the market, okay, the possible entry today, the entry we made. We're gonna analyze a bit the day of today that was actually very nice. Let me share my screen. Let me know if you can see. So, sorry. So, all good, all good. How you guys doing? I hope everything is okay. Let's start immediately with EURUSD. We're gonna analyze some of them, okay, and then we're gonna see we're gonna do a Q&A maybe, okay, so you can ask questions about the day. So let's start with EURUSD. Very clean EURUSD today, very nice, short. Okay, so we can see already simple. If I go on M5, we are coming from a big downtrend now for days. All right, so I can simply come in the morning here. I came in the morning, I see a very clear fake boss here, okay, plus another inducement. So we took the first trade here, okay, with timing. This is at London at 9, if I'm not wrong, yes. So here we see this liquidity is being taken out, okay, so first entry is here. Now this is a break even plus partial, all right. We see this is of course a smart money trap. I got a big reaction, to be honest, okay, probably also because of the news of this morning, all right. So this is an SMT, this is an SMT as well. Why this is an SMT? Simply because we are coming from a downtrend, we created a new high here, okay, so this is too easy. It's very clear that this is a smart money trap. Okay, so first trade, partials plus break even, okay. I hope everybody see the setup. Very simple, very easy to understand, nothing too special. Now with the news we go high, all right. We go high. Make sure to mute yourself, guys, so otherwise we'll be a mess. With the news we go high, all right, and we come down, okay. Now here the situation was a bit messy, okay. We create this liquidity here, but not really relevant. Simple because we are trading short, okay. We have definitely a point of interest here touching to the left, as you can see here, okay. I think is also, yes, an H1 POI, as you can see here. So another liquidity cycle is done, okay. So H1 POI, point of interest, okay. Now here, unluckily we were not in the market actually, so the entry didn't arrive immediately, okay. But as soon as we jumped in, this was exactly 2 o'clock, as you can see here in New York, okay. This is a very advanced trade, okay. Is a continuation trade, simple as that, okay. Took in M1, all right. So here we enter, okay, stop loss here, very risky, okay, I'm not gonna lie, absolutely, because the market could have maybe a correction, okay, but at the same time was very clean that the market would go down here again. Why? Because we have the reaction from this smart money trap that we have to take out, okay, and we have the reaction of this smart money trap, we have this other smart money trap down here to take out. So simple as that. First trade short, okay, we took out the SMT, we create another fake boss, okay, because here everybody is entering long, we create a fake boss, and here we have another entry always on the M1, okay, right here with target here. All right, so nothing too special. This is a 1 to 6, this is a 1 to 4 almost, okay, but very nice day on Euro USD. This was a 1 to 7 almost, but again this was only partial, because as soon as it taps in the SMT you should always take partial, because again you can expect a reaction like this, okay. So simple day for EU, and at the same time was everything was very clean as well. Let's jump on. Yeah.
Yeah, one second. I want to respond on chat. I think you mean this F boss. Why this is an F boss? Because it's very simple. We are going short, okay, and look our price is pushing higher, okay. So shift the intention, okay. You see now the intention is going up, so everyone will expect what will expect a possible switch in the market, okay, to finally go up during long short trend, okay. So big push to the upside, so it's of course an inducement, okay, to allow buyers to get in the market, okay. And also this day we simply see this, okay, channel. We expect only this liquidity to be taken, but when we saw, of course, this push, high speed, momentum mitigation on PI on the left, now we know that, okay, we can take a short to, of course, took out these zones, and of course these zones. Think about how many people will enter here to continue higher, okay?
Yes, maybe you can read some of the question. If boss explain it.
Ask a question, sorry.
Yes, yeah.
I just I wanna learn something. How did you draw up SMT? How did you know it's this zone is SMT?
This zone?
I just wanna this zone on also the second zone.
Yeah, simple because of the F boss, as we said. As we here we have a fake boss, okay, and we explained why, okay, because we create a new high, right? The market overall is trending short, okay. So when we break here, okay, liquidity is taken, we create a break of structure, okay, good. This is automatically an SMT, all right. This is the same. Is Asia? We have equal lows. Is Asia low? Is an SMT that got a reaction, but it's still an SMT. Okay, this is an
okay,
SMT.
did you clear rule about how we know it is SMT or it is a clean POI? Did you have a rule, or just by explain the liquidity you know it is SMT
Yes,
or POI?
exactly. It's about liquidity. There is no rule actually, not really. It's about liquidity. Like remember,
Okay.
the markets move liquidity to liquidity, so you need to again react of what the market is doing. Okay.
No. Thank you very much for
Welcome.
answering me.
No
Thank
problem.
you.
A reaction from major inducement. Should we trade away? I think you mean from this, from the one short. On the daily time frame, look what we looked from the left yesterday. Because the move up. So you mean from this, I think, or what? Which one? Because yes, I understand that when we get yesterday. This inducement you mean? Okay, this one. I understand that when we get an inducement, you you always have to trade away, and it's true, it's correct, absolutely. Okay, even if here we are a bit in the middle of nothing here, all right, on the higher time frame as well, and we still have okay, liquidity down here. Okay, you always need to look as well at the trend, right? Yes, this is a medium inducement, absolutely, but not that relevant. Okay, you need to understand when is relevant and when is not, because let me close this, because this is not relevant. Okay, also we can definitely trade long from here, but first we didn't got a entry. Okay, so this was a correct entry long. Okay, but later on when we see what the market is doing, then we definitely understand that this, it will become an SMT that we have to take out. Okay, and then after, from here, maybe you couldn't even take a reaction long. That was not a problem. So
Yeah. Also, I think question is about why you don't take this buy here. Medium inducement taken, real break structure.
The question?
Yeah, I think medium inducement taken here, real break structure, POI. Also, there is, I think, ADM left also. So why you don't take this buy here?
This one is an SMT.
Why? I think that I ask why you don't look for this zone.
They're asking about this zone.
Yeah.
Okay, I thought was about this one.
No.
Okay, so simple as that. This one we know this is an SMT, all right? Okay, we took out this medium inducement. Okay, you need to understand again the relevance of the inducement, because when we take out this, everybody here is entering long. Okay, every single trader is entering long here. Okay, it's too obvious as well, you see it by yourself. Okay, liquidity is being taken out, entry long. It doesn't work like this. You need to understand what the market is doing. Plus here, what do we have? Just look at the market, what it is doing. This is an F boss, is not a true boss. Okay, because people will see this as a true boss, so this is a zone to trade. Okay, and go up. Of course, it's not like that, otherwise would be too easy. Just think what everybody, okay, or most of the people, this is what you should do at the market will do. Okay, just think everybody will trade here long. So what do? It's F boss, you actually trade the reverse, the continuation to go short, and then okay, once you take out this smart money trap, okay, you took liquidity out. Okay, so now you have liquidity taken, then now you can try a long. Okay, it's not that simple, it's much more complicated, otherwise trading will be too much easy. Okay, because I take a liquidity, then I look for a reversal. It doesn't work like this. It's important this to understand, otherwise it will be easy, everybody will be enter, everybody will be rich. Simple as that. Okay, so let's move to USD CHF actually now. Okay, for the trade of today.
Okay, guys. So also USD CHF was pretty clean today. So we have clean intention to go up during.
Cannot hear you.
Is this a inducement? Sorry?
There was a lag. There was a bit of lag.
Okay. Now you can hear me?
Yeah, now yes.
Okay, perfect. So clean medium inducement, same thing of EURUSD. Okay, we have inducement Frankfurt open. Okay, look, we have a perfect, beautiful reaction. So of course, what people will see perfect medium inducement out. We have a reaction, we have an internal break structure or whatever, so we can trade in this area to go short. Of course, this is an FBOSS, okay, so premature sellers get in the market, okay, so then we have our beautiful main inducement at London Open. Unfortunately, price didn't give us an entry, okay, on the POI, just go short, okay. And also what we have a potential POI, okay, beautiful POI. We have all of these those, okay, formed market leaving equal lows, then price induce, okay. And what we saw a perfect reaction on this SMT, okay, and we take this buy, okay, on the inducement PI. Also we have a mitigation, okay, mitigation on this PI. So yeah, simply trade buy here. We can expect at least price came here, okay, but yeah, simply took out this high here. Also create a false break of structure. So now, as we tell you in the Discord chat, we don't anymore look for this buy, because now we invalidate it, because we create enough boss here, okay. So of course this become an SMT, and then simply price create our relevant break of structure, okay. Relevant break of structure, mitigation of the inducement POI, plus taking out the premature sellers, because if you zoom out, okay, this is a clean SMT, okay. So premature sellers will enter here, we sweep, okay, them, and then simply drop. And as you can see, look, beautiful speed, okay, reaction from no sense zone here, okay. Perfect inducement people I, okay, so they will probably enter in here. Look, perfect reaction, okay, potentially give us another entry opportunity here, and simply drop, okay. So the price action on USDCAD was really big, beautiful.
Yeah, really nice day as well on USDCHF. Lastly, we can go on AUD-USD. Nothing special, just a little continuation trade that was a partial price break even. This was simple, but of course not in correlation with all the other trade. Simply liquidity taken out, so we can expect of course a reaction, but this is nothing special, nothing that you should take actually, because it's too risky, okay, but it's a fast trade with some profit always, why not. Always. Also AUD-USD in these days is going very slow. You see the price action is not the best, okay, but to be honest, there was GU as well, guys, that there was a miss, unluckily. I was waiting for this to be taken to short, very advanced trade as well, okay, because it's in Asia high, okay, so it's super risky. But again, this is only be taken because you understand that the price is going short. All right. So that was the main on the main days. Okay. So EURUSD, very clean, very nice day today. Okay, to even try higher back here. And USDCHF, very nice trade as well. And lastly, USD CAD. okay, super clean as well. Here we have almost the same stuff. All right, we have this clear inducement. We are trading high, okay, so we can understand that this is we go on a higher time frame. We see a liquidity cycle completed here, okay, we see this point of interest mitigation, all right, and then this is an easy buy, okay, until Asia high. Always target maybe a bit low, okay, because this candle can be a bit not real because of the provider, whatever. Always target a bit low, nothing is gonna happen, okay, but this was a very nice and clean trade as well. So this was the main day for today. EU, USD CHF, USD CAD. Let me read some question.
Sorry, can I ask one question?
Yes,
if you don't mind.
Yeah.
Those purple lines in your chart, that's a timing, London Open and magic manipulation, and also the London close, I think.
Yeah, they're all the timing. They're all about the timing. Yeah.
So what about New York Open? You are not trading on New York Open?
Why?
Because I don't see it.
I trade at 2. Where is it? Here. It's in gray. You don't really see it. But it's here. From 2. This is an important timing for me. 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock. Okay. Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you very. I will appreciate those lives you're open to us. Thank you very much.
No problem. Yeah, DXY depends. Not really, to be honest. Doesn't is not necessary. You just keep it there to have a look. But depends, of course, from person to person. So if you have any other question, just let me know, write it in the chat. Otherwise, what you should do, what you can do is go and backtest the day of today, okay, and try to understand why this entry has made on EU, the possible GU here, USD CHF, why from here long this was not valid anymore, to go then short USD CAD, okay, this not really, again it's very hard to understand. How can you tell when price is slowing down? What do you mean by slowing down? What project do you have with this community is you will see. We will announce everything, but again, what we want to create is a community full of traders, that trade pretty much the same strategy and see the market in the right way. So that's the goal. So for now, we are trying to make this call to make everything clear. Of course, later on, everything will be more advanced. We will announce what we are going to do. Will be pretty much accessible to everyone. Okay, don't worry, but it's important also to have the right people inside, as I always say. On EURUSD, the second SMT doesn't qualify to be a medium inducement level. The second SMT, this one you mean? I think, yes, because this is the first one. Again, guys, yes, it's a medium inducement, but also remember about momentum mitigation, okay? The price here create a new high, liquidity has been taken, so this is not valid anymore, alright? Because if we were going to do this, then this was valid, we could enter here, okay? Now is not valid anymore. Why would be this the medium inducement to trade away, alright, if we are coming from a huge downtrend? Doesn't make any sense. What did we take on the left? Look, there is nothing. I mean, if you go on the higher time frame, yes, but there is still liquidity. Doesn't make any sense that this is the inducement to trade away. And again, it would be too much easy. It's more complicated than this. Trust me.
I have a question.
Yes.
If you took the buy on EURUSD, how would you have taken it?
Which one? Sorry. This buy?
Yeah. Yes.
Oops. We have 10 minutes left, guys. So I'll try my best. Ready to reverse? Yes, most likely. Here you could take a buy, absolutely. Nothing too special, okay? But as we understand that this is SMT, okay? We take out the SMT, alright? Then we will wait for some liquidity creation, alright? So look at here how we go and take out again. People maybe would enter here again. Look what is happening here. Perfectly liquidity build-up created. It's a perfect build-up. Inducement to the low side into the point of interest. Long. Okay? And you could take a long. You could already take partial because it's late because there is not so much liquidity anymore. But absolutely. Again, you don't have to trade every single thing. Look how many trade there was today. Okay? 3 trade on EU, a possible trade on GU, 1 trade on AU, and 1 trade on USDCHF, and 1 trade on USDCAD. You just need to take one. Okay? There is no point to take it all for now if you're not expert. Okay? It doesn't make any sense. Just need to find a good and clean setup. And there were so many clean setup today.
Just one question, if that's
yes.
okay.
Yeah.
I just wanted to know your partialing out protocol. I got into those cells in London today, and I
in
just
EU?
closed at around. Yeah, in EU, I closed at like 1 to 4.
Okay.
But I just want to know how you like navigate partialing out. Do you take 50% at a certain risk to reward? Or you take 80% at tier? You know?
Yeah. So this was a 1.7 pip stop loss. Okay. Now my actual target was down here. Okay. But one, we had the news around the corner. Second, a reaction on the SMT. Okay, so here I let the price go. Okay, here I took out 80%, like around here, I think, something like that. Okay, this is why, because of the SMT reaction. You see, as soon as it tap in, it gives a little reaction. Here I take out 70%. Okay, because it's important to react fast. That's why it's important to stay on the chart as well. Okay, you take out, you got a BA. Okay, if you stay inside and then goes, it's okay. But you take out 70%. Okay, still is 1 to 6. Okay, how much is here? 1 to 4. So there is no problem. Why? Because then you know there are re-entry later on. Okay, remember that partial is still a win, guys. You're still earning money. So remember to always take partial. For example, here you let go. Okay, simply I didn't take any partial. I just took full TP here, simply because of the condition of the market. It was so clean that the market will go down here. It was so clean that this was an SMT. It was so clean that we got a breakdown. So full TP here. Okay, this one is the same. It's a short trade. It's a scalp trade. How long does it take? 5 minutes. Full TP. Okay, so depends always on the trade as well you want to take. Do you trade?
So I have a question, if you don't mind.
Yes.
All right. So about the Euro USD today, why wouldn't you expect the Euro will take high, the medium inducement on the left?
Which one?
After Asia, we got higher.
This one?
Why wouldn't you? Yes. Why wouldn't you?
Why wouldn't I expect the market would go down up here? It's all about confluences, and also again, if you go on H1, liquidity cycle complete. This, what is it? POI. Always is a possible POI, but why this is more even possible? Because the liquidity cycle is complete. Okay, you see we have a build up here, an inducement high with speed. We have timing, we have the minutes, the magic minutes, timing with us. So this is definitely a possible POI to short. Remember, is a game of confluences. The more confluences you have, the more you can be sure you can take a trade. Also, it's not important to always take a win. It doesn't work like this. You will take stop loss, but that's not a problem. Indicator I can't. Okay. Partial, yes, as I said before, but this also depends on your back testing. When will I set break even? Even this is important to let the trade goes. Okay, for example, here I didn't put any break even. Okay, ma it's wrong, to be honest, actually. But because I was so sure that the price would go down here. But normally you can put break even when you have a break. So for example here, okay, you have a clean break here. Okay, here you go to break even already. Then here it stays on you if you want to take partial or not. This was a trade I took. Let me know the PI market PI 17. Rate my entry. This is definitely good if I already can see the reaction. Let's see how many time frame you use. To be honest, only M5, but sometimes M15 as well actually. But this is only M5, M15. But this is only it depends all on you. Okay, to be honest.
Brother, can I ask a question?
Yes.
What's the time the
manipulation minutes?
Time the MM1 and the MM2.
10:30, 12:30.
Okay, and the second one?
12:30.
12:30. Okay. And I have another question.
Yeah.
Did you have a specific time to open the live for us, or is just anytime you have a time you open it?
Sorry, I didn't understand.
Did you have a specific time to open the live for us?
What do you mean?
I mean, for example, you every day you open the live for us in 10 o'clock.
Okay, you mean this type of lives?
Okay, you have a specific time or not?
Not really. We will see about that, to be honest. We will see for the project that we are also launching. We will see everything. We will try to first understand everything, but yeah, we will see.
Thank you very much.
No problem. Look at USDCAD, CHF, how is it going? Also, in the meantime, 1 minute 45 left, guys. Yes, absolutely. Yeah. So if you have last question, otherwise I will leave you for today, and please make sure to backtest maybe today's day. Okay.
Thank you for the meeting.
Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'll see you all on Discord. Okay. Again, it's a community, so everybody together, we can help each other. Okay, who is more advanced, who's less. So that's the main goal. Okay. Please respect the rules. No arguing. No arrogance, etc. Okay. That's the only. Gracias a ti. This is the only rule, no? The only important thing is to create a nice community. All right, we close it here for today, guys. Thank you so much. Have a good day, night, depends where you are. Thank you, guys.
Same to you, man.
Ciao.
Thank you. Appreciate it.